All right, welcome everyone. This session is all about getting you exam ready for your Level 4 qualification. Today, we're wading into one of the oldest, grisliest conflicts in any business and exploring how marketing tech is, believe it or not, finally brokering a peace treaty. So, let's dive in.
Right, let's start with a scene I'm sure is painfully familiar. It's the classic office pantomime, isn't it? The age-old feud between marketing and sales. You can just hear it now. The leads are rubbish. Oh, no, they're not. Oh, yes, they are.
So, we're going to frame this like a simple 3-act play. In Act 1, well, we're calling it the feud. It's a problem every single marketer will recognize, probably with a deep, world-weary sigh. So in one corner, you've got the marketing team tearing their hair out, absolutely convinced that these brilliant, beautifully crafted leads are just gathering dust. And in the other corner, you have sales rolling their eyes, convinced they're being sent a pile of duds. It's the classic he said, she said, and all it does is cause friction and cost the business an absolute fortune. So how on earth do you solve this? How do you stop the endless finger-pointing? Well, what if you could bring in a completely impartial referee to make the final call? And that brings us perfectly to Act 2. Enter the referee. Now, the twist here is that the solution isn't a person, it's a system. We're talking about automated lead qualification. This bit of tech is our star player, the neutral party that never, ever takes sides. To put it really simply, this system is like a high-tech sieve. And our source material puts it beautifully. Its whole job is to quickly filter gold from sand. It separates the genuinely promising prospects from the time wasters and tire kickers, making sure your sales team isn't chasing shadows. Okay, so how does our digital referee actually make its decisions? Well, it's not based on a gut feeling or a lucky guess. Oh no. It all comes down to a very strict, data-driven rulebook, a point system that we call lead scoring. Every single thing a lead does, every little piece of information we know about them, gets points. They download a white paper? Bang, 5 points. Their job title is director? Great, have another 3. But then they visit the pricing page? Ooh, now that is a whopping 10 points. That's a huge signal of intent. And once they hit that magic number, that certain score, ding, 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 the CRM automatically flags them as ready for a call from sales. Now, theory is one thing, but to really get this, we need to see how it works in the wild. So let's walk through a proper, real-world example from our source material using HubSpot. And here's the magic. So along comes John. He's clearly interested. He's downloaded stuff, he's asked for a demo. The automated system, our referee, sees all this, checks its rulebook, and bingo. It immediately passes him over to Jane in sales. So Jane gets a notification for a genuinely hot lead with all the context she needs. She can now spend her valuable time talking to John, who's actually keen, instead of chasing down every single person who downloaded one ebook 6 months ago. It's efficiency and harmony, all in one go. Okay, so peace has been declared. Marketing and sales are best mates, sharing biscuits by the kettle. But what happens next? Does our CRM just hang up its whistle and retire? Not a chance. In fact, its job is only just beginning. Which brings us to our grand finale, Act 3, the crystal ball. This is where our trusty referee evolves from being just an impartial judge into something way more powerful. Think of it as an AI-powered coach that can pretty much predict the future. You see, the future of the CRM isn't just one single thing. It's this powerful combination of trends that are turning it into the central brain of the entire business. We're talking AI becoming your strategic co-pilot, the CRM acting as the main hub for every customer interaction, a much bigger focus on privacy, and automation so powerful you can build these incredible workflows without needing to know a single line of code. The source gives us this fantastic analogy to wrap our heads around it. We are basically moving from a simple tool that does one job, like one of those old rotary phones, to a smart, indispensable supercomputer that practically runs our lives from our pocket. That's the leap we're talking about. And this, for me, is the really exciting bit. In the future, it won't just predict that a customer might be about to leave you, it will become prescriptive. It will look at all the data and actually recommend the exact offer, the perfect timing, even the best channel to use to keep them on board. It's like having a strategic genius whispering the winning play right in your ear. Right, now for the part that matters most to all of you. What on earth does all this mean for your apprenticeship? And of course, for your exams.
Let's connect the dots. Let's be crystal clear on this. Understanding automated lead qualification isn't just some abstract theory. It directly demonstrates the knowledge, skills, and behaviors, the KSBs, you need for your Level 4 qualification. You can now walk into an exam and confidently explain how CRM tech executes strategy. You can describe how to build an automated funnel, and you can have an intelligent conversation about the ethics of balancing AI with data privacy. Honestly, this is exam gold.
And let's end on this final, really powerful thought from the source material. After all this talk of AI and automation and crystal balls, we have to remember that the R in CRM stands for relationship. The technology is the tool, it's the enabler, but the goal is, and always will be, that human connection. And that right there is the real secret to mastery.